What's going on? Mr. Dave here. We are continuing our progress. We got the side of the feature we built out, so the ramp, they're going to make some ramps for the older lines to be able to get up on top of this feature. And so we chewed it up, made a nice straight 4 or 5 foot space that they can abut the ramp to. And so we are moving along. This area will have a rubber liner, and that rebar is then to go outside the liner and then back over, and then on top of that we go put more concrete. We messed with this rock a little bit, trying to give it some more natural look. This thing was really blobby, lumpy, bumpy, so we're working on that. This top portion, we have given it some zigzags, so the water course will come out of there. I'm going to build that whole thing up a little bit more, I think, to make the water come out a little higher, and the feature could be a little more dramatic. This portion I think I'm going to just waterproof with membrane C, Miracoat membrane C. I think that's what it's called. And we'll have some ponds here. They both have the drains, which we kept them working. And then it'll dump inside. We're going to increase the drop of the weir over here, so it just goes straight down and can't crawl back. The one now kind of rolls and it kind of comes back, and it's kind of weird. So we're going to put a stone there and build up this side a little bit too, just a little bit, maybe 3 inches off that edge. That's what that remaining rebar is all about. So yeah, man, rocking out on the rock pile. What's the song go? Rocking in the free world. That's what we're doing. Well, at least it's a little free. Well, the morons are stealing more of our freedoms every day. We must push back with peaceful but effective means. There you go. Be grateful, be thankful, and be forgiving every day, guys. Gives you a happier life, happier results for your family, friends, everybody else, job, the whole shebang. People will offend you. You probably offend yourself. You need to forgive yourself too here. We ain't perfect. We make mistakes. We get mad. We do stuff. So you got to just be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. And love on all the people you can. You know, take the mask off. Smile whenever possible. Try and get that human touch going. It's ridiculous what they're doing to people, in my humble opinion. But I digress. So if you want to find out how we do this, you can go to davehenderson.podia.com. davehenderson.podia, P-O-D-I-A. You have some free downloads there. And if this is on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel and get the latest project updates with our newest adventures on the rock pile, as I like to say. And if you want to learn how to do this, I also do personal trainings, one-on-one. I can fly out to you guys and show your crew how we do this, give you some training. And you can also come out to San Diego. We're looking at doing that sometime in the spring, so stay tuned. So anyway, I also have my blogs and links to other platforms at www.daverhenderson.com. And got a lot of my nose always running. A lot of cool things in that little area. You can check in my Facebook page, and as well as the link to my YouTube channel. If you have not been there yet, you should check it out. It is very fun. And love creating things. Love making people smile and laugh. Let's all try to do that. All right? All right. So until next time, Mr. Dave on the Rock Pile, be kind, be forgiving, and be thankful. Learn, grow, become. All right, we will see you later. God bless. Bye.